Hi, Rudy. So you want to open up your presents from your birthday party last weekend?
Yep.
All right.
One.
You only have one?
Everything else is for you.
Okay. All right. So let's do it.
I think this one's mine.
That one is from Vanessa. Thank you, Vanessa.
Yeah, it's just from the party.
Whoa!
Yeah, you know what? I don't know why, but this reminds me of Edson.
Yeah, it does remind me of Edson.
Edson so much. Yo, this is hot.
That's so nice. You know, it's funny because I saw this somewhere and I was just like, I don't think Rudy's gonna like this. I'm not gonna buy it.
Actually, did I see a commercial for this?
I don't know. What? There was something else.
Something similar because I saw a YouTube commercial of like this floral button up that the guy was wearing, and then like a limo was waiting for him and everything, and he was just standing there showing it off, and then the limo like beeped. It was like, let's go.
And it's short sleeve too.
Well, I'm gonna take it for vacation.
There was one more thing, wasn't there?
Yeah, the other thing is for Jaden.
No, that's not for Jaden. That's yours.
Oh, Snapples.
What does that say? Hold it up.
It says ready. Yeah, how does she know?
Because she watches our vlogs. It says one up, high score, ready, power up. Yeah, she knows you.
You know, I'm about to start collecting some gaming teas again. This is bringing me back.
Rudy, are you happy?
Yeah. This is cool. I like it. I want to just reach down and grab some more shirts.
Alright, Jaden, your turn. Jaden, look, it's for you. Okay, that's not the present, Jaden. Keep going, keep going.
This is the present.
Look, Jaden.
Oh, you dropped it. Oh,
what is it, Jaden?
It is a bubble gun.
A bubble gun?
Yeah. Like he knows what that is.
And then you forgot this, Jaden.
Huh?
New York.
Yeah,
Wow. And then you got something else, Jaden. Brooklyn. We're Brooklyn at. We're Brooklyn at.
And got some shirt.
Oh, Jaden, you from New York?
And we were just talking about clothes for him.
Jaden, are you from New York? He said, yeah.
Jaden, some more.
Jaden.
These were definitely not mine.
Wow.
Perfect. We didn't have a mommy book yet.
I want my mom. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have that daddy book.
I want my mommy.
You're gonna read it later, right? Wow.
What's this? 10 twinkly stars. All right. What's next?
This is your buddy.
Learning to Share by Peppa Pig. Yeah, it's Peppa.
That is George.
Wait, which I thought
George
that was
is the
Peppa.
baby brother of Peppa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jaden would know.
Yeah, he recognized. I was like, no, that's Peppa Pig.
Yeah, and then you.
Wait, do we know who this is from?
Oh.
Somebody didn't put their name on it. Bianca didn't put her name on hers. All right, and then we got one more for Jaden. This is the Gap.
First of all this wrapping paper though.
Gap.
Oh, I'm jealous. I used to have a Gap. Remember? I used to have a big Gap when it was oversized.
Well, let's buy you one so you can match Jaden. Oh, Jadencito. Look at that. Look, Jaden.
Reminds me, Gap was having a crazy sale.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, mommy.
You got, yeah, those are bubbles. I see.
This is his car.
That's no, that's a gun. Socks. Socks on socks on 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 socks. Socks on socks. Yeah.
And that's Jaden's last present, by the way.
And that's Jaden's last present. Good job.
No, the pants. That goes with the hoodie.
Yeah. It says NY though. Why does it say NY?
Leave him alone.
Alright, so thank you to everyone who gave us presents. I appreciate it so much. If you would still like to send send a present, you can send it to our P.O. Box 110392, Stamford, Connecticut 06911. Yeah. I like presents. It's like, we don't host the party to get presents. Like, I'm never really thinking about presents. I just want to hang out with people and celebrate their birthdays, but I appreciate it.